Question 11. ABC is an isosceles triangle. We've got AB equals 6 centimeters, which is given here on the page, and we have the other two sides, which is AC and BC. They are both 5 centimeters. Use your ruler and compasses in order to construct the triangle ABC. You must show all of your construction lines, and we use AB. It's been given like so. So the first thing you would do is you would, using your pair of compasses, so you have to forgive my pretty poor drawing here, but I don't know how to do this in a program like super accurate. You're going to first of all set your pair of compasses to 5 centimeters so that the pin, call this the pin here, and the pencil point are 5 centimeters away from each other. So what that will mean is that your pair of compasses will look something like this, roughly. Given that this is 6 centimeters, 5 centimeters will be just a little bit shorter than that. So the idea is that somewhere here there is going to be the other corner of the triangle, so that when you draw this isosceles triangle, we're going to end up with something like that. Not quite as big as that, because 5 needs to be smaller than 6, but something like this. Now, when you set your pair of compasses up like this, you don't know where this corner is going to be. So what we do is we set the pin on one side of the line, say here. The pencil, again, 5 centimeters, will take you roughly there, and you're going to draw an arc. That arc is going to look maybe not quite like what I was doing there, but something like this. And I could go all the way around here if I want, but I don't need to, because I know that I'm looking up here roughly for where our corner is. Now that's not very well drawn at all, so let me just draw one that looks a little bit better at least. That's not really that much better, if I'm honest. Much better, something like that, okay? What I then do is I take the pin and I put it at the other side, which means that the pencil is going to be here. Now, because I set my pencil, my compasses, 5 centimeters apart from the pin, I don't want to adjust that. Be very careful with how you're handling your pair of compasses going in between this. And effectively what I'm going to draw is another arc that is 5 centimeters away from the point B, which gives me something like that. What you should end up with is something very symmetrical down the middle, because of the fact that both of these arcs are 5 centimeters away from their opposite corners, like so. And in order to find that last corner, you're basically looking for where the arcs meet. After that, we would then use a ruler to draw or join up our two corners like so. I know I'm not using a ruler, but we're saving time here. You would leave the arcs there. You wouldn't erase these. If you erase those, you have got rid of your construction lines, which means you have not answered this part of the question. So leave your arcs there. That is our final answer for the construction of the triangle. Done.